Where do you see yourself in your future? What do you see yourself doing? With the real world skills you learn on a course at South City College, get the clear picture you need to succeed in your future. Unrivaled insight into multiple industries and careers with a significant choice of classes available across our 8 campuses. Learn the real world skills required for careers in public services or music production, engineering or fashion, construction or health and social care, providing you the foundations you need to succeed in the job you want in the world beyond education. With unique access to some of our region's most exclusive employers, you will see how your new real-world skills can contribute to the industries, the brands and businesses you'd be proud to work with. And all in a college that offers a dynamic, inclusive student experience. One that brings the best of the real world into your day-to-day learning life in some of Birmingham's most sought-after and accessible locations. Let South City College provide the spaces, the education and the inspiration for the future you're looking for. The real-world skills to prepare you best for the real world. See the start of your future through our lens at our open day.